कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Today's mudra is Mrugi Mudra. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your spine erect. For performing this mudra, join the ring finger and middle finger of both the hands over their entire length like this. Next, place the tip of the thumb on the middle phalanges of these two fingers like this. Place the tip of the thumb on the middle phalanges of these two fingers and exert slight pressure. Keep the index finger and the little finger extended and straight like this. So this is Mrugi Mudra. Hold the mudra like this. Now Mrugi in Sanskrit means deer. The finger position in this mudra, if you observe, it resembles the deer's head, and therefore this mudra is called as Mrugi Mudra or deer seal. Now let us have a look at the benefits of practicing this mudra. One significant benefit of this mudra is that it helps in the control of epileptic seizures. Now all of you know that epilepsy is a neurological disorder, and this Mrugi Mudra is helpful in addressing nervous system ailments. The basic logic behind epileptic seizures is that there is a sudden unexplained burst of electrical transmission between the brain cells. So, people suffering from epileptic seizures, if they practice this mudra on a regular basis for 30 minutes once a day, it will help them to lead a seizure free life. Moreover, the practice of this mudra helps to relieve anxiety and stress, which are considered as two of the many triggers that cause seizures. And as a result of relieving anxiety and stress, the body and the mind are calmed down, and that renders peace of mind. This mudra helps to improve your natural immunity and increases the level of antioxidants in the body. It promotes focus and mental clarity, helps to cure mild headache due to cold and sinus. To some extent, gives relief from toothache. Now, practice of this mudra along with Ujjayi, Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati Pranayama is considered to be more beneficial for the body and mind. Routinely, this mudra may be practiced for 2 to 3 minutes once in a while. That's all for today. Thank you.